Can you get rid of student loans through Chapter 7? Have you ever wondered if it's possible to eliminate student loans through Chapter 7 bankruptcy? It's a question many people ask, especially when facing financial struggles. Let's break down the facts to give you a clear picture. Chapter 7 bankruptcy is often referred to as liquidation bankruptcy. It allows individuals to discharge many types of unsecured debts. However, student loans are treated differently due to specific protections under bankruptcy law. To discharge student loans, you must meet a legal standard known as undue hardship. What does undue hardship mean? Essentially, you need to prove that repaying your student loans would make it impossible for you to maintain a minimal standard of living. You also have to show that your financial situation is unlikely to improve in the near future. Lastly, you must demonstrate that you have made a good faith effort to repay the loans in the past. It's important to note that discharging student loans is not automatic. You will need to file a separate lawsuit within your bankruptcy case called an adversary proceeding. This process requires you to submit detailed financial information and argue your case before the bankruptcy court. Recent changes have made it easier for some individuals to succeed in discharging federal student loans. Guidance from the Department of Justice and the Department of Education has streamlined the process. Now, court decisions grant full or partial discharges in about 98% of cases under the new procedures. Which loans qualify for discharge? Only certain federal student loans, like direct loans and direct consolidation loans held by the Department of Education, are eligible under the undue hardship standard. Private student loans are generally not dischargeable under this standard. However, some private loans related to education expenses may be discharged if they do not meet the undue hardship criteria. Given the complexity of this process, many individuals choose to consult bankruptcy attorneys to help navigate the adversary proceeding. However, the new streamlined process and attestation forms have made it more feasible for some people to pursue discharge without legal representation. While Chapter 7 bankruptcy can help eliminate student loan debt, it is not an easy path. You must demonstrate undue hardship through an adversary proceeding, and only specific federal student loans qualify. Recent legal updates have improved the chances of discharge, but private student loans remain largely protected. If you are considering this option, it is wise to gather all necessary information and seek guidance to understand your situation better.